inquiry chatharingai report lakchingaida DMC B.Ed ki hayengdagi class haunaba notice thokibagi mayokta yaningdaba phongdoktuna MSU-na B.Ed college thong lonsinkhre loinana academic process khudingmaksu thingjinkre ngasi All Manipur Students Union MSU gi HRD secretary Mani Ningthaujamna haiki mamang chahi gi September kulhumdoida deputy secretary Sachina thokpa order amagi matung ina DM B.Ed ki first semester entrance exam pangthokpada aranba tauki haiduna inquiry taunaba thingjinkhiba laikhre masidasu nattana MSU nasu chapchaba inquiry report ama pikhalaktriba fauba admission process athingba thamki adubu principal in charge oriba AK Sorodoni na induction program hauragani haina haukiba November 19 da notice tholakpadagi MSU na amuksu athingba pizaki adubu thawoidana hayengdagi class hauragani haina notice amuk tholakpadagi MSU na DM B.Ed college so lonsinbani government na aranba puthoknaba inquiry committee semlabasu aranbadi government su tawrambagi report MSU da laire in service ki seat yankhai leibagi manungda special case ni haidana seat mari amaga hengatlaga yankhai mari launabagi thodok cherol MSU da chapchana leire asigumba aranbatana thallaba DM B.Ed asengba achumba puthoktriba fauba matam kaktana academic process khudingmak thingzile haina phongdokhi
College DMCT B.Ed college ti solonjari asigi maramdi mamangda September ki tangkulum doida koi deputy secretary Sachina tok order magi matungina B.Ed ki first semester ki admission tawu matamda public campaign lai haidun aramba lai haidun inquiry tamu ki tingjalaba matung tingjankhre amasung koina MSU ki site su aramba sing thokri phawa inquiry committee ki report si thokri phawa koi admission process tawu yar athing ba lekre amasung haukiba November ki tang 35 panda koi principal in charge oina lobter oina puriba AK Sorodoni na koi DM B.Ed ki first semester induction program horogani notice am tholakpa muk laikre adu du koi MSU ki site gi chathari inquiry committee ki report asi laitri phawa koi class hobu yaro haidna thingma thamkhre aduga ngasi amuk ngarang gi thokpa notice amada amuk hayeng tang 3 tagi amuk koi gi DM first semester ki class horogani haidna notice amuk thokchalakwa sigi matang da koi ngasi gi so asi lonsin jabani